Today I'm just going to review with you your activities that have been assigned by your teacher regarding Introduction to Concepts, the green activity sheet. You should have access to the Word document, which looks very similar to this. Your teacher will have decided how they're going to give you access to this document and how to submit it, so please be sure to follow those directions directly. And you'll have 4 activities today. Today's first activity is a pre-assessment. So I want you to use different Google Doc tools to respond to the different questions. Here you have a short answer, which you might choose to just type your answer. And then you might have a multiple choice where you can bold your responses or highlight them. Next, you're going to actually match the words in the word box with the question or the statement that best highlights the different concepts. So go ahead and write your answer next to the question or the statement as you see fit. This shouldn't take you too long. It's pretty brief. So once you finish this brief assignment, move on to activity 2, which is a close reading activity. Remember, when you close read, you're going to highlight and annotate the passage as it's available to you. In order to highlight, you highlight the information that you wish to mark. Click on this little drop box, highlight, and you can choose any color you want. Today I'm going to pick yellow. If I wanted to comment on an element, I'd also highlight it. And then you can click on this little circle square, or if that's not showing, you can click on comments, comment, type in the box, and have it listed right here. If you don't wish to have this comment that you've created, you can hit the ... and delete your comment, and it will actually de-highlight. You'll go ahead and move through this highlight and annotation. It's a 1-page document, and move into activity number 3. This is concept mapping. So you're going to take one concept that you have either had in the reading or from the word box above and place it in the center of this page. Creating bubbles on the outside might be different topics that relate to the concept. So if I'm thinking about change, maybe I'm going to think of environment as an option, historical change, educational change, and different topics that go underneath that concept, and then list details. Here you have physical changes, and they have energy. Temperature change relates to energy, phase change, bonding, and thermodynamics, and they have additional details. In order to create a graphic organizer, you're going to use the Draw tool. This is located at Insert and Drawing, and you're able to use the different shapes available to you. So I'm going to maybe put a circle in the middle. And then I can add lines for my different topics. And you can actually type everything that you might need into the boxes available to you. You can play with this document as much as you need. Once you're fully done, you have all of your concept, topics, and details listed. You're going to hit Save and Close, and it will embed itself right here on the document. If you delete this whole material, you'll have to start completely over, so be mindful of when you hit Save and Close. After you complete your concept mapping, you're going to return to your concept pre-assessment to complete the post-assessment, which is activity 4. So if I return to my pre-assessment, I can see that I have some of my answers here. I might not like this answer anymore, so today I'm going to make a comment and start what my correct answer would be, finish out my answer, and maybe, yes, this was my bolded answer, but I don't love that answer anymore, and I think based off my work that this is the true answer, so I'm going to highlight that in blue. So everything that you edit, use a different tool to mark your second answer or your post-assessment, going back and changing your responses to these 2 questions and then the 8 matching pieces that you see here. When you've completed your assignment completely, please make sure to submit to your teacher as they have requested so you can get credit for your work today. Also be sure to have your name attached. It should be already there because you will be sharing this digitally. But as you complete this work, it is important to use the Google Doc tool, show everything that you know, and share back your work with your teacher. If you have any questions, please see your teacher, or you can come see myself, Miss Grayboys, in the main office after IB time. I wish you the best of luck and have a wonderful IB day.